Hi everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today we are going to be announcing the winner for August's giveaway. Oh my word guys, can you believe it's going to be September on Wednesday? Wow, this year's going so quick. My nan always used to say, the older you get, the quicker the years go by, and oh my word, was she so true. No truest word was said. Well, just to show you what the prize is, just to refresh your memories, this is the prize for this August. So you get the little organza bag. You get the 3 skeins of yarn, and all these 2 are the Bella Cocoa, and this one's Lemon Drops, and this one's Candy Floss, and there's 50 grams in each, so you get them 2. And then you get Studio, which is Deramore Studio Anti-Pilling Yarn. Again, this is 50 grams and it is so soft guys, honest, so soft. And this is 136 yards in this. How many yards are in this one? Let me see. Just says 110 in these 2 meters. And there's, let me see how many meters, and there's 125 in this. So you get a nice little project, maybe babies or even a wind chime, but they'll look nice in a wind spinner. And that is doing gone crazy on YouTube at the moment. You get a little let me just take the price stick off. You get a little strawberry notepad, and you get a little notions bag to put your hooks in, and inside we've got a pen. We've got 3 hooks, which are 2mm, 4mm, 3mm, 4.5mm, 2.5 and a 3.5mm. So you get 6 ergonomic hooks. And last but not least, you get 2 of my handmade not charms, they're not charms, they're stitch markers, and this one's got the amber. So yeah guys, so shall we see who's won? I've put everything in, so I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to pick the winner. Guys, so I put the URL in here. I've put the, let me just see if I can make you go, there we go. Let me see. There we go, that's better, isn't it? So put the URL in, I put the word in, duplicate users. So good luck everybody. Let's see how many comments there are. 287. So let's go down. Good luck everyone. Let's see who's going to win. Samantha Barnett. Such pretty colours. Pearl, Candy Floss and Lemon. So let's just check to see if she's subscribed to my channel. Channels. Oh dear, Samantha's not let me see, so I'm going to have to go back and pick another winner. Suzanne Gulag, she says, beautiful yarn, love the lemon colour, thank you Linda and Tubby for the giveaway. So let's see if Suzanne is a, let's see if she's a subscriber. There I am a subscriber. So congratulations, Suzanne Goulet. So congratulations, Suzanne. If you email me at this address, your home address and postal address, I will send your prize out to you. You have got until the 10th of September to reply. If not, I'll have to pick another winner. So Suzanne, congratulations, well done, and thank you everybody who took part. There'll be a new giveaway starting on the 7th of September, the first Tuesday of every month. I do a giveaway, and unfortunately the first lady who was picked, I couldn't see whether or not she was subscribed to my channel. In the description box of the giveaways, there is a little description of how you to let me see whether or not you're subscribed. Once again, congratulations, Suzanne. Thank you to each and every one of you who come back time and again to watch my videos, leave thumbs up and comment. I do appreciate that, each and every one of you. Thank you. And so all that's left for me to say is bye bye for now. Take care everybody, but more importantly guys, be good to you or kind to you.